Hello everyone, I am Santosh. Today we are going to discuss the most important part of C programming, that is coding. Means we are going to write the first C program. We have already learned the basic concepts of C programming. Okay, with the help of that, we are going to write the programs. Okay, let us see why programming is necessary or why we are going to code. As you know, computer is a problem solving tool. When a problem needs to be solved, as a programmer, we should be able to write the instructions for the computer to perform our required task. Okay, but to write the instructions, we need to know a language because computer will not understand human language. That's why we are learning C language. With the help of C language, we are going to write the instructions for the computer to perform our task. And also we need to know about the coding format of the C language. Okay, let us learn that. A programmer can write complex codes to solve the task, but only a brilliant programmer writes programs that can be interpreted by others and can be maintained if any errors come down the line. Okay, we need to understand that we should write the program in such a way that it should be easily interpreted by the other programmers and they can easily change it, or if any error occurs, that should be easily solved by some others. Okay, therefore it is a good idea to follow some programming techniques because well written programs possess several characteristics or traits. Well written and indented programs are easier to understand, debug, or maintain. Means, if the program is written in a precise manner or good way, it is very easy to understand. Debug means error can be easily found and solved, and it is also easy to maintain. Even well written and indented programs are designed to be efficient and flexible. Means they should be able to change whenever change is needed. Indentation means it should follow a proper format so that everyone can understand. Let us see how to code in C. Different programming languages have their own format of coding. Okay, in C we are using different format. In Java it may be different. Okay, now let us discuss about coding in C. Let us see what is the basic structure of C program. Before going to write the program, we should know what is the basic structure. Okay, what it should include. Let us see. Every C program has a main function and it has braces and declarations, statements, and users functions. Before going to know about this, let us write a simple program. Then you are going to understand it very easily. Okay, I'll write the simple code. That is, we are going to write the first C program. That is C program to print your name. Simple program I am writing which does or which prints your name on the screen. How to write this code? Okay, let us see. This is the very simplest program I have written which prints my name on the computer screen. What it includes? Let us see. First line, it has hash include stdio.h, and there is a main function. As you know, every program has main function, and it has a opening brace, or you may say bracket, and it has a statement called printf, and in double quotes we have written the name. Why we have written the name in double quote? Because it is a string. You have learnt what is string. String is a set of characters within double quotes, and after this there is a semicolon, means every C program statement ends with semicolon. That's why I have written a semicolon. And then the program ends with closing brace. This is a very simple program which prints your name on the screen. Let us see what are these lines. I have written the first line as hash include stdio.h, and second one is main and opening brace printf I have written, and closing brace. We'll discuss this one by one after knowing about the output. See, this program should be written in one of the editor. Editor means where you are writing the code, the place where you are going to write the code, which should support the execution of the programming. Means if you have written the code in the editor, the C compiler will understand this code, and then it will print it on the screen like this. Okay, what output we have got? We have got the output as Santosh Umadi, means the statement which I wanted to print, that is there on the screen. Got it? Let us discuss what are these lines. I have written 4 to 5 lines of code. Let us see what is hash include. Hash include is a preprocessor, means every C program starts with the hash include or as defined like this. We have different preprocessors which includes the libraries to help execute our program. For example, what I am doing here is I am printing the statement or printing one of the string, that is Santosh Umdi. Printing is one of the task. Print means it is the output. To facilitate the printing statement, we are including some of the library. That library is known as stdio.h library. Stdio means standard input output header file. Okay, .h means it is a header file which helps to execute the input and output statements. Printf is a output statement, and with the help of printf means print function. We are printing the string on the screen. Like this, there are different libraries which help the code to execute. Okay, for example, we have math.h. Math.h means it will help to execute mathematical functions. Okay, let us see what is main. Every C program has a main function. Main function of every C program will be there definitely, and the execution starts from this main function. Okay, then opening brace indicates the beginning of the main function, and printf is a function which is used to print the string or statement on the screen, and the closing brace indicates end of the main function. Got it? Here what we are doing is we are not inputting anything. We are just printing the string. There is only output part. There is no input part. Okay? And how that is executed, all of you have got that. I'll recall once again. Hash include stdio.h means stdio standard input output header file is included in the program to help or to facilitate the print function. Print function is only executed when you include the stdio.h header file. Okay, then main function will be there definitely in every C program. It is must and should. And opening brace indicates the beginning of main function, means the execution of the program starts from here. And why we are using printf? Printf means print function, which is used to print the string on the screen. What string I am printing? The string is Santosh Umudi. Why it is written in double quotes? Because all strings should be written in double quotes itself, and it is a C programming statement. That's why it should be, or it should end with semicolon. And the closing brace indicates the end of the main function. Okay, got it? Like this, we are going to write some more simple programs. Then you are going to learn easily. Okay. Thank you.